This Taste-Style coffee maker features an innovative magnetic K-Pod organizer that simplifies K-Pod storage while saving valuable counter space. Its high-strength magnets allow secure attachment to both sides of the machine or any surfaces containing iron elements. Before brewing, remove the water tank to add water. Then place a pod into the capsule holder or add coffee grounds into the reusable filter basket to brew. Choose from 6 cup sizes in brew style: classic, bold, or over ice. To prevent coffee splashes, 2 drip trays are included. Fits cups up to 7.3 inches in height. When descale light turns red, it's time to descale to prolong the machine's lifespan. Taste-Style, easy brew, easy life.